The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania, issued a tornado warning for western Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Somerset County in south central Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Berlin, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Buffalo Mills around 3:20 p.m. Bedford, Tesna, St. Clairsville, and Ulsterburg around 3:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Calamon, Shelburne, New Baltimore, Rainsford, Eastman, New Paris, Man's Choice, Garrett, and Indian Lake. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 118 to 152, Interstate 99 for mile marker 0 to 9. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Allegheny County in western Maryland until 3:45 p.m. At 3 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Frostburg, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Cumberland,